Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you that I am a real monkey, cause like I'm gonna do something crazy. You guys are not even gonna believe it. So this is actually crazy, but we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay, so first we need to grab on this and hold on this. But okay, so the first thing we do is gonna grab this right here, because if we don't grab on it, then we could Okay, let's go. Oh snap! Oh, oh snap! Look, I'm literally trying to climb. Okay, guys, I did it. I don't know what's over there, but okay, let's do this. I mean, I'm already right here, so yeah. This is how it looks. Like, my parents are right over there. They don't care because they already know I'm a monkey and I'm also black. Okay, anyways, guys, let's go. So for this thing, we need to watch out our step, because bro, if I get it, if I fall, I'm gonna start laughing and you guys are gonna start laughing. So there's this, and there's also a parking lot over there, if you guys can see it. And there's this house. I hope I don't get in trouble. And there's a cat over there. Aquí estoy. Okay. Okay, anyways, guys, so there's this house and there's a cat. I told you that before. Okay, now it's time to go back or not. I hope this gets like at least 1 million. Not joking, bro. No, guys, this is actually dangerous. I can fall like this. Let's go. Okay, what was that? Anyways, it's time to climb down. So like, oh my, what the hell? I don't even know what's that. What? So like, I've been hearing those sounds right now, and I am low-key kind of scared. We're definitely gonna get down right now. Okay, let's go. Bro, I'm getting down. Bro, that's scary. Like, okay, no, I'd rather grab onto this. Ow, damn, that hurt it. Okay, let's go. Oh. And now we're back. Like, I literally went like there and then there and see what's in the back. There was a cat in a house. And we did it. Okay, send this to a person and I gotta go. But bye, guys. I hope you like this video so much. Bye.